Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing a very useful video for those who have smart TVs or smart set-top boxes running Android at home. And even if you don't have an Android system, you still have all of these settings. They just might be located in a slightly different place. So after watching this video, I think everyone will be able to make similar adjustments to make their smart TV run very quickly and efficiently. Usku. This will of course have a positive impact on the launch of any apps on your smart TV, especially for those who like watching YouTube. YouTube. I think many people have smart TVs, and in most cases their speed depends on the RAM, the built-in storage, and of course the operating system, and so on. If your TV has 1, 2, or even 4 gigabytes of RAM, it may it may slow down. And that's not very pleasant because you have to constantly clicking around, waiting for the app to launch. In general, it's not very convenient and it's even annoying. Now I'll show you hidden settings that are found on smart TVs and smart set-top boxes, and you can speed up absolutely any TV all day. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, look, I'm going to show you on a 55-inch smart TV. Basically, the size doesn't matter. You need to find the settings. Click further in the top right, you'll see a settings gear, and on an account or an account. Click on the gear. Here, scroll down to the system section and click IM. Then click about device. Scroll down to the setting called Android build. It may be called the build number, or in some cases the Goku version. Although, in my case, there's also a kernel version above. Click on the build number about 5-7 times. Here, use the OK button on the remote. So it tells me that you already have developer status, but if this is your first time, it will say, congratulations, you're now a developer. Go back to the main menu and find the developer feature in the system section. We just activated it. Go there. There are actually a lot of useful settings here. I'll just show you some of the factor settings that greatly affect the performance of the entire system. And by the way, they're also used on smartphones. Those with Android smartphones also have these settings to speed up their smartphone speed. The same applies to the TVs. These include window animations, transition animations, and animation duration. As you've noticed, mine is set to 2x. In short, you should definitely double check this setting, and if you really want your TV to run fast, you'll need to set it to the lowest animation setting or no animation at all up in the S. If you have a powerful smart model, let's say above average budget, then it's likely to run more or less quickly as the traditional OID. But TVs that are, say, cheaper tend to lag significantly, no OC. By setting animation to the bare minimum, we increase performance at the expense of RAM. Plus, your processor will have to process a fewer unnecessary animations that occur when you launch an app, when you simply scroll through menus, when you go into settings, or basically when you click on the remote and see some kind of visualization. That's what this animation is all about. But basically, I recommend setting the animation to 0.5x initially. Well, just to test it out. Transition animation. Similarly, you set the animation to 0.5x and the animation duration to 0.5x. After that, exit these settings, restart your TV, and try it out. See how much faster it runs and how much quicker it launches apps. Perhaps you've seen some of the previous lags, whether they've disappeared or not. Safi, if everything's fine, if it's faster, then you can basically leave it like this without any additional settings. If it's still lacking, try disabling all 4 of these settings and GTL to do a check out. With auto animation, I can guarantee the TV will run so super fast and super smooth or no. You'll even be surprised. I think some people won't even want to change it back. So by all means, use it and leave your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.